Hi, welcome back to Susan's Travel Hacks. Today, I'm going to unlock the secret to a perfect fall, a Hudson River cruise. Join me as we travel up the Hudson River. I'll be showing you the best spots to experience the stunning autumn color. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks and unforgettable destinations. Now let's dive into this autumn adventure. Why not start your Hudson River Fall Foliage Cruise with a few unforgettable days in New York City? Spend some time exploring this iconic city before embarking on your scenic journey. One must-see stop is the 9/11 Memorial Museum, a poignant tribute to the lives lost on September 11th. The museum's exhibits provide a powerful and moving experience, telling the story of that tragic day and its lasting impact. Don't forget to visit the Survivor Tree, a pear tree that miraculously endured the attacks. Its resilience against the backdrop of autumn leaves is truly inspiring. While you're in the city, make sure to check out a couple more must-see spots. Head to the Empire State Building for a breathtaking view of the skyline, especially magical in the fall as the city below is dotted with autumn hues. If you're an art lover, take a stroll through the Metropolitan Museum of Art, where you can explore centuries of masterpieces, all housed within a stunning building bordering Central Park. And for a quintessential New York experience, hop on a ferry to the Statue of Liberty in Ellis Island, where you can dive into the history of immigration in America while enjoying unbeatable views of the harbor. Take a walk through Central Park, where the fall colors transform this urban oasis into a picturesque haven. It's a perfect place for a peaceful stroll before your cruise. And of course, you can't miss Times Square, alive with energy, lights, and entertainment. Whether you're grabbing a bite at a famous New York deli or catching a Broadway show, your pre-cruise stay in the city will set the perfect tone for your upcoming adventure along the Hudson River. Imagine cruising along the Hudson River as the landscape bursts into a kaleidoscope of colors. The rolling hills, historic estates, and charming towns are all bathed in the rich hues of the fall. It's like sailing through a live painting where every turn brings a new view more stunning than the last. One of the highlights of this cruise is a stop at Indian Ladder Farms Orchard in Albany. Established in 1916, this orchard is the epitome of fall fun. Apple picking or enjoying a pumpkin patch. The crisp autumn air, vibrant colors, and harvest time atmosphere make it an ideal spot for creating cherished memories and enjoying the season's bounty. And yes, those famous fresh cider donuts. The vibrant foliage makes this charming spot even more magical and perfect for a cozy day of autumn activities. History buffs, you're in for a treat. This cruise takes you to the Franklin D. Roosevelt Presidential Library and Museum in Hyde Park. Imagine exploring FDR's home and garden, all while surrounded by the brilliant colors of fall. It's a journey through American history, set against one of the most beautiful backdrops you can imagine. Speaking of history, another must-see on this cruise is the Vanderbilt Mansion. This grand estate from the Gilded Age is a sight to behold, especially in autumn. The meticulously landscaped grounds and scenic overlooks provide stunning views of the Hudson River, all framed by the season's best colors. And let's not forget the breathtaking stops along the way, like the West Point Museum. Nestled within the historic United States Military Academy, West Point offers more than just stunning fall views. You'll explore the rich military history of America through fascinating exhibits, rare artifacts, and guided tours. The rolling hills and the Academy's grand architecture, framed by vibrant fall foliage, create a scene that's as inspiring as it is beautiful. Whether you're a history enthusiast or just love a good view, West Point is a stop you won't want to miss. And the Gothic Lyndhurst Mansion in Sleepy Hollow. This grand estate, with its dramatic architecture and sprawling grounds, was built in 1838 and has been home to several prominent New Yorkers. It's even more enchanting in the fall, and you can join in on seasonal events like ghost tours and harvest festivals. The festivals showcase arts and crafts made by local artists. Tour the mansion, stroll through the gardens, and don't miss the indoor bowling alley. The vibrant foliage perfectly complements the mansion's Gothic grandeur, creating a profound setting straight out of a storybook. The Hudson River Valley in the fall is a bucket list experience, from the natural beauty to the rich history. These are just a glimpse of the many incredible experiences waiting for you on this cruise. Onboard enrichment goes beyond just sightseeing. Carefully selected experts join us on every journey, sharing their passion for American heritage. They'll even join you ashore, giving you exclusive behind-the-scenes knowledge. Enjoy nightly entertainment ranging from interactive lectures to live musical performances in our welcoming lounges. Local musicians bring the sounds of the Hudson River alive, playing music inspired by the rhythms of country, jazz, blues, or rock, all styles born along America's legendary rivers. Daytime onboard activities are designed to engage your creativity and curiosity, from art classes to cooking demonstrations and even aptitude classes for the tech-savvy traveler. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Prefer something more relaxed? Unwind with light music in the afternoon, join a trivia game, or stay active with all their fitness programs, all tailored to enrich your cruise experience. With American Cruise Lines, your Hudson River journey is more than just a cruise. It's an experience that brings the heart of America's history, culture, and music to life on board and beyond. Now, which cruise would you prefer to take? A river cruise, an Alaskan cruise, or a Caribbean cruise? Leave your answer in the comments. Ready to experience fall like never before? Call IFAT at 855-229-5723 and schedule your free consultation. We'll answer all your travel questions and provide expert advice to help you find the perfect vacation tailored just for you. Stay tuned to Susan's Travel Hacks for more exciting places to visit.